So I want to talk about geodes and a particular type of ones that are formed in volcanic environments and rich in quartz, like this one here. This is from Lake Balmorhea in West Texas. It has, you can see the large quartz crystals growing inward to fill in this cavity. The surrounding rind here of microcrystalline or nanocrystalline quartz, which we call chalcedony. Another one here is that you're familiar with, amethyst. This is from the wall of a geode. And so to form a geode, the first thing you need is to make a cavity. And volcanic rocks are great for making cavities because they're often filled with gases, and the gas manifest themselves in the form of bubbles. They can be very small, or they can coalesce together to form larger bubbles, which we call vugs, and then these can get infilled. The next step, what you need is, after the lava cools off but is still warm, you have water, meteoric waters that are percolating downwards through the fractured rock, and as they go down, they heat up. And the thing about hot water is it dissolves silica pretty well. It dissolves the rock, and silica gets into the water, into solution. But then this water can come back up through these vugs, and when it does, it decompresses and drops in temperature. And when you drop in temperature, the solubility of silica drops, and you get the crystallization or saturation of quartz. Now you might wonder what controls the different sizes of these crystals here. Well, that's a competition between nucleation rates and crystal growth. And typically what happens when you cool and you first saturate, you tend to supersaturate, and that favors nucleation. So you form lots of seeds of crystals around here, so that's where you get the chalcedony first. But once you saturate, then you kind of are closer to equilibrium, and you stop nucleating as much, and the crystal growth has a chance to take over and win. And that's why the large crystals form in the middle. So that's it. That's geode. And in the next session, I'll talk about why amethyst is purple.